Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is 2019, that's so weird to say, but it is the time of the year when people are doing a ton of New Year's resolutions, and it is also veganuary. So I want to do a video on how to go vegan, 10 tips on how to go vegan. I remember when I first went vegan, these types of videos totally helped me. And before I get started, I got this shirt for Christmas. Says eat fruit, not friends, and I love it so much. But anyways, even if this video just helps one person go vegan, that's awesome. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Tip number 1 is try mock meats and cheese. And yes, I know there are some bad ones out there, to be honest, especially vegan cheese. There's only a few good vegan cheeses out there. But you just have to try different ones and just see what you like. I personally like Gardein for mock meats, and then for cheese, I will type it into the video because I forgot what it was called. But you just have to try just different types, and it also really helps when you're first going vegan, just to transition. Number 2 is take it slowly. So there are some people that just go overnight, and that's awesome. I didn't do that. You can start with one day out of the week all vegan, or you can just start with one meal every day vegan, or you can start just with being vegetarian, or you can take out dairy first and then meat and then, eggs. Number 3 is educate yourself. Read books, watch documentaries, watch YouTube videos, search on the internet. And if you're watching my video right now, then that's good because you're doing your research. And just research like how to get all your nutrients on a vegan lifestyle, or how to deal with going to a non-vegan restaurant, or just any questions you have about veganism. I definitely recommend researching it. Number 4 is get vegan apps. I have Is It Vegan? That's really helpful. And then, just one second. There's also another app called Happy Cow. I don't have the app. You can also just go to their website, and it's probably pretty similar to their app. And so Is It Vegan? Basically, it does what the title says. You just scan the barcode or type it in, and then it tells you if it's vegan. And then Happy Cow, that one just gives you vegan restaurants or vegetarian restaurants in your area, or restaurants that have vegan and vegetarian options. Number 5, get new meal ideas and try new foods. Don't be afraid to try new foods. Get some new recipes off the internet or YouTube or a recipe book. I have some vegan recipes on my YouTube channel you can go check out. Tip number 6 is make your favorite meals vegan, but don't forget to try new recipes and try new foods. But you can also obviously make your old favorite meals vegan. So just an example, if your favorite meal used to be grilled cheese, you can use vegan cheese. Oh yeah, and by the way, I know I said before that in my opinion only certain vegan cheeses taste good. I meant only certain vegan cheeses taste good, like not melted. But in my opinion, all vegan cheeses taste good melted. So anyways, just wanted to throw that out there. Number 7 is kind of for maybe you already went vegan. So whenever you're feeling not motivated, just think about in the first place why you wanted to go vegan. So if you went vegan for the animals, just think about how mistreated the animals are. I know that can be hard, but it really does motivate you. If you went vegan for the environment, or if you went vegan for your health, did you want to lose weight, get better skin, or, just think about why you originally wanted to go vegan, and that will definitely motivate you. Tip number 8 is talk to someone who is vegan. And if you don't know anyone who's vegan, then maybe you know someone who's vegetarian. If you don't know a vegan or a vegetarian, then feel free to ask me in the comment section below. You can ask them for advice or any questions you have, or you can eat it, or you can even get new recipes from them. Number 9, if you mess up, it is okay. Stay positive. I guarantee you, any vegan you'll talk to, they've at least messed up once. So just stay positive. You don't have to beat yourself up about it, and just move on. Last tip, number 10, set a goal. So you can set a goal of when you want to go fully vegan, or you can set a goal that you want to eat a vegan meal every day, or you can set a goal if you just want to try out veganism. You can set a goal to like be vegan for 2 weeks or something, and just have a goal, and you will be more likely to go through with it. Alright guys, that's all I have for you for today. Good luck on your 2019, and I hope this video helped you if you want to go vegan. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye!